where we are going to keep working to solve those bigger and bigger equations. So today you are going to need your tools out, Super Scholars. You are going to need your double 10 frame sheet. If you don't have it, you can draw one up on your own, but you're going to need your sheet with your double 10 frames, as well as your 10 sticks and both colors of your eraser counters. So you need both colors today. And that all is going to depend on your double 10 frame. These are the tools we are going to use as we start to build our knowledge of adding and subtracting bigger problems. So with that in mind, let's check out our learning target for Wednesday. It says, I can solve 2-digit problems with my place value chart to bundle the tens. So this chart is what we're using, and it shows our place value because we're going to practice bundling the tens. That super important skill that I have said is required, it's necessary for us to add these bigger problems together. So we're on our way to bundling the tens when we start adding. So in order to see how this all works, how bundling the 10 is used to solve 2-digit problems, make sure you've got those tools I asked nice and ready in front of you, and let's get bundling. Okay, we're going to tackle a very similar problem, 35 plus 6. So can you show 35 on your chart as well? Can we all show 35? 3 tens, 5 ones, 35. And now how much do we want to add this time? 6 ones. So you're going to add 6, but in that other color. So whatever we're adding is going to be in that different color. And this time we're adding 6. So I have 5, 6. Okay, what do we see now? How many ones do we have? We have a group of 10 ones and 1 1. So how many ones is this all together? 10, 11. We have 11 ones. So second grade, we have a group of 11 ones. Can we bundle all of these together? Can we group 11 ones together? No, we can't. We can only group 10 of them. That is our number for bundling. We can only group 10. So let's go ahead and do that. Can you group your 10 smaller unit together and make one of that bigger unit? But how many ones are left over? There's just 1 left over because we took away an entire 10, but because we didn't have enough to bundle again, we had to leave the 1 where it was. It couldn't come with us because we could only bundle 10. So now, second grade, how many 10s do we have? 4 10s. And how many ones do we have? 1 1. So what is our answer? 4 10s plus 1 1 is 41. 35 plus 6 equals 41. We still bundled that group of 10 ones just like we did last time, but this time we had 1 left over. It was extra. It still was in our ones place because it wasn't part of that group of 10 that we had to bundle to make that bigger unit. Okay, Super Scholars, we've started with smaller addition facts, let's bump it up to two-digit equations. Can everybody reset? Okay, let's bump it up, Super Scholars, and tackle this problem. 48 plus 37. So we're starting with 48 and we want to add a whole 37. Let's see how bundling is going to help us solve. So if we're starting with 48, we got to show 48 on our chart. Can we go ahead? How many tens are we going to need? How many tens? 4, of course. So go ahead, just show those tens off to the side. 4 tens. And how many ones are we going to need? 8 ones. And make sure they're all in one color. Remember that, one color, 8 of them. Four tens, 8 ones, 48. So if we want to add 37, second grade, how many tens are in 37? How many tens will we end up adding? We are going to end up adding 3 tens to this number to start. So can we go ahead and do that? Can you add 3 more tens to your number? 1, 2, 3. Look, I've got 5 and 2. We added 3 more tens. But now, Super Scholars, how many ones are we going to add? How many ones? 7 ones. Let's go ahead. In your different color, I've got orange. Can we add 7 ones? Let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So I added 2 and 5, 7 ones. Okay, Super Scholars, how many ones do we have now? 8 plus 7, how many ones is this? 10. 15. We have 15 ones. Can we bundle these 15 ones? Can we bundle them? We can bundle part of them. How many of these 15 ones can we bundle? How many can we bundle? 10 of them. We just are going to take 10 ones and bundle them together to make what? What are we going to make? 110, of course. So go ahead, can we do that? Can you bundle 10 ones together, only 10 ones, and make one of a bigger unit? Good job. How many ones do we have left over? 5. We just have 5 ones left. Can we bundle these? No, they're just going to stay as they are. So, my friends, what do we have now? How many tens do we have? Look, 5 and 3. How many tens is this? 8 tens exactly. And how many ones did we say we had? 5 ones. Good job. So what's our answer? 8 tens, 5 ones. That is 85. Exactly. 48 plus 37 equals 85. When we added all our ones together, we had to bundle just part of them, just a group of 10, in order to make that larger unit. And there were some left over. That's okay, as long as we took out that group of 10 so we could bundle them together to make that larger unit. Awesome, awesome job working up to those 2-digit problems. Let's reset our board and go again. Reset. But we have to give ourselves a break for all our awesome mathematician work. So stand up for me. Get out of your seat. Give yourself some movement for our math, this or that. Are you up? Okay. Which one of these farm pets would you rather have? Would you rather have a baby goat? If so, you're going to do high jumps. Or would you rather have a pet chicken? If so, you're going to do high knees. You got a choice. A pet goat or a pet chicken? What would you choose? I think I would choose a goat because I'm kind of scared of chickens. So I'm going to do 5 high jumps to move my body. You got your choice? Here we go. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There we go. Nice and high. Shake it out, shake it out. Awesome. Okay, you have a nice clear board so we can keep going. Okay, we are ready to tackle 59 plus 23. So we're starting with 59 and we're going to add 23. So first, can we show 59 on our board? How many tens are we going to show? How many tens? 5, of course. Good job. And then how many ones? How many ones? 9. Let's go ahead and show it all in one color. 9 ones. 5 tens, 9 ones, 59. Okay, we need to add 23. So let's break that up. If we're going to add 23, how many tens are we going to add? How many tens are in 23? There are 2 tens, of course. So we want to do that first. Can we go ahead and add 2 tens? Awesome. So we added the tens part of 23. How many ones are we going to add? How many ones are in 23? 3, of course. So let's go ahead and show that. With a different color, can you add 1, 2, 3, 3 ones? Okay, let's see what adding 9 and 3 created. How many ones do we have now, second grade? How many ones is this? There are 12 ones in total. We have 12 ones. Can we bundle a group of these ones? Can we bundle some of them? Yes, what can we bundle? We can bundle 10 ones, of course. When we bundle 10 ones, we're going to get what bigger unit? The tens. We know it, so let's go ahead. Can you bundle a group of your 10 ones together to make a bigger unit, a 10? Good job. So these 10 ones became 1 10. So second grade, we still have a group of ones left over, but that is okay. We leave them where they are because they're not enough to bundle with. But what is our final answer? How many tens do we have? 5. We have 8 tens. And how many ones were left over? How many ones? 2 ones, exactly. So what's our answer? 8 tens and 2 ones equals 82. There we go. 59 plus 23 equals 82. Because our 9 plus 3 ones made 12, and we had to bundle 10 of them together to make that bigger unit. Awesome job. Okay, final test, final showing what we know. Let's everybody reset. And last but not least, we've got 66 plus 18. We can solve this big problem with our chart. So first up, we're starting with 66. We want to show that first. How many tens are we going to have? How many tens? 6, of course. Can you show 6 tens? I've got 5 and 1. How many ones are we going to show? How many ones? 6 as well. And all your 6 ones are going to be in one color. Exactly. 6 tens, 6 ones, 66. So now second grade, we want to add 18. We want to add it in parts. So how many tens are we going to add? How many tens are in 18? Just 1. So go ahead, can you just add 1, 1 on your board? And then, how many ones are we going to add? How many ones are in 18? 8, of course. So in your entirely different color, can you go ahead and add 8 ones? Awesome, I've got 4 and 4. I've got 8. So now second grade, when we had 6 ones and we added 8 ones, how many ones do we have now? We have 14 ones altogether. 14. We can't have 14 ones, so what do we need to do? We need to bundle exactly. What do we need to bundle? How many ones can make a group? 10 ones, of course. These 10 ones are going to bundle and make our 10. Let's do that. You take that group of 10 ones. They're bundled to make a 110. Good job. So we took away part of our 14 by bundling it together to make a larger unit. So how many ones are left over, Super Scholars? There are 4 ones left over from our 14 because we had to bundle that group of 10 together. So, what's our final answer? How many tens do we have? How many tens? 5. We have 8 tens again, exactly. But how many ones did we say were left over? 4 ones are left. So what's our final answer? 8 tens plus 4 ones is 84. 66 plus 18 equals 84. And we were showing what we know the whole time. We were talking about, so when we were adding the ones, this is where we had to bundle. We ended up with a bigger group, and we had to bundle 10 of them. We had to bundle just a group of 10s to get a bigger unit, which left over some ones, but that's okay, because we're just working to bundle that group of 10. So now, second grade, you are going to show me what you know and practice talking and walking through the steps yourself. So you need to keep out all your tools, and let's check out the 2 problems you are going to show me on Dojo. Okay, so today for your job, second grade, is you're going to take a video of yourself solving these two problems. You are going to use your double tens frame and all your awesome tools to show me what you know and how bundling is required to solve these problems. You're going to show me what you know in a video with your tools, how you bundled to solve these two problems. 54 plus 18, 67 plus 25. You're going to add the tens and the ones together. And when you add your ones, you're going to see, what do I need to bundle? Can I bundle a group of a smaller unit to make one of a bigger unit? Just like we've been practicing, you're going to solve these problems by bundling and showing your skills. We don't need to write anything down yet. We just want to work with our tools to change the number and see it ourselves. So you're going to take a video of yourself solving these two problems, talking out loud what you're doing, when you're bundling, and why. Show me what you know, and I also want to hear what you know. Okay, Super Scholars, get these two problems down, get bundling, and I can't wait to see what our two answers are.